How to move documents, downloads, and desktop folders on another drive in your Windows device. Let's get started. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you get notified about our latest videos. So let's begin. If you want to move any of these folders to another drive, so if you didn't know, all of these folders will be on C drive by default. So what you want to do here is select the folder that you want to move. So in my case, let's say if I want to move my documents folder, uh, what you can do is just right click on the folder, and here you will see an option that says properties. Click on it and click on you have different options like general, sharing, security, location. Click on location, and from here you can click on move. Now just select your destination. For instance, I'm going to move it to my D drive, and then click on select folder. Now once you do this, click on apply and then OK. So just if you click on yes, all of the items will be moved to your next drive. And that's how you can move all of these folders to your new drive. If you found this video helpful in any way, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel as well. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on new updates. I will see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.